Everybody, it's Sally from El Cajon Swanvac, and we're excited that we're going to be getting the new Singer Memento craft cutting machine. And I wanted to show you how easy it is to make your SVG files, cutting files from the mySewnet software. So we just go into the mySewnet software, and you would need to have the digitize, which is under Create. Click on the digitizing. Now you can just open the digitizing by itself because you can export from the digitizing. We would want to load a background picture, and I just put it on my scanner. You can use your scanner or your camera, and I just select the scanner. It's on the platen. I turn it to black and white because that's going to be the best way to do automatic files. And then I hit scan, it just scanned it. And then now I want to come over here to the digitizing, and here it is popped up. Next, that's the right crop. Next, I want the size, height, width. I'm going to fit the design to the hoop because I've already got the hoop the right size. So I'm going to say finish. And so now here's that. I want to go to view, get length. I know that the width of my circle should be 3 3/4. So there we are, 3.75 exactly. So now I'm not going to have any problem with my sizing. I go to pattern fill, change that to no fill. I want a triple stitch, and I'm going to click applique. Now all I have to do is go into this quick stitch, click here. I can move this over so I can see, and it looks like it's about right. I can make it a little higher tolerance if I want. Hit OK. Now there's my applique, and now I can zoom in here because I can see that it cut off part of that. So now I want to go to edit points. I've been making this quilt for 3 years, so I'm ready. I can change this point to a circle because I don't need a square edge there, don't need a square edge there, and I don't need a square edge there. If I want to take some of the points out, I can. And now I'm ready to export applique pieces. SVG, DXF, FCM, whatever you want to export it as, export it to cut work needles, and then click export. Obviously, I've already done this before, but I'm going to call it ring 1. Wouldn't want to show you this without testing it to make sure it's there. So now I can also, if I want, go back. So I will just go back to my embroidery software. So now I actually have an applique. So if I would prefer, I can go hoop my quilt and put the rings on in my embroidery machine and quilt these applique pieces on instead of doing them by hand. Which will I do? I'm not 100% sure, but I would have cut these in the cutting software. If I want to go to the cutting software, I would go to the open the cutting software, which is mySewnet cutting software. Say I'm going to use a 12 by 20 format, and then I'm going to insert from my device, which is my computer. Here's the ring, which I did today, and I want it to convert to cut path, so I say cut path, and then now here it is all ready to cut. So I can put 3 of them on, or I can cut one at a time, whichever I want to do. That's how simple it is. Thanks so much for watching.